Reading practice drill number 2. 281. Reading practice drill number 3. 285. Reading practice drill number 4. 289. Reading practice drill number 5. 292. Reading practice drill number 6. 296. Reading practice drill number 7. 296. Reading practice drill number 8. 297. V Contents 10 Cracking the listening section. 299. Listening section directions. 301. Cracking the listening section. Basic principles. 302. Cracking the listening section. Basic approach. 308. Final tips for the listening section. 324. Note-taking. 325. The 5 R's of note-taking. 326. 6 Habits of Bad Listeners. 327. 11 Listening Practice Drills. 331. Listening Practice Drill number 1, a conversation. 332. Listening Practice Drill number 2, a conversation. 335. Listening Practice Drill number 3, a lecture. 336. Listening Practice Drill number 4, a lecture. 339. Listening Practice Drill number 5, a lecture. 342. 12 Listening Practice Answers and Explanations. 345. Listening Practice Drill number 1, a conversation. 346. Listening Practice Drill number 2, a conversation. 348. Listening Practice Drill number 3, a lecture. 351. Listening Practice Drill number 4, a lecture. 353. Listening Practice Drill number 5, a lecture. 356. 13 Cracking the speaking section. 361. Speaking section directions. 363. How the speaking section is scored. 300